Alright, if you have decided to print my Raspberry Pi NAS case, you're gonna have two smaller rails, two larger rails, each using two 20mm 2.5 screws, and you're gonna have a lid consisting of two parts, a thicker one and a thinner one. I always like to color the thinner one in the same color as these two inserts for the lid. This one's for the display and this one's for the power button. And of course the main compartment is the case itself. This is how it should look like, and it's quite easy to set up. So what you want to do is take the display part and insert it like this. It's going to be a tight fit. The display should be clicked in like this, the display part, and the wider side is on the right side of this. So I don't know if it makes sense. You insert it like this, so the thicker part is on the right side if you're looking at it like this. Then you're gonna insert the power button. You're gonna put it on top of the other part of the lid. Now you take the Pi, insert this on top. You can also, it's not quite fitting, take the lower part, gently push it onto the Pi, and then you take the lid and also gently push it onto the other part. And also press the button, see that you can press it. And you're going to take one of the longer parts, longer rails, set it onto the right position, gently screw down. Now the other side. And now you just take the case and gently insert. Pay attention that this part is like this. And here you go. Now you take 4 10mm screws and just start on one corner. Once that's done, as you can see, makes no sound. Just take it like this, put it like this. Now that's done, you're finished. USB-C, flush, power cord, flush, HDMI, flush. USB. And of course, we have the Ethernet.